Get strong.
Welcome back to another video on 12 years gone. In this video, I'm going to show you our Christmas dinner. Yeah, it's with my mother.
Merry Christmas, guys. So just showing you like what I have today for Christmas dinner. Barbecue chicken, curry mutton, some vegetable, potato salad, and rice and peas. So before we begin, just say a little grace, please. Bless our food.
That is with God's spirit. Let us find things for our food.
Thank you. Alright, let's begin. Potato salad. Taste good and mutton now. Very soft. I like the pepper, that's all I like. It's spicy.
The rice is good. And also some salad as well.
So how you guys spend your Christmas today? Eat up a lot of food. Taste the barbecue chicken. Yeah, my barbecue chicken has a ginger in it.
Aren't you going to try some of the potato salad?
Already did. barbecue chicken and the potato salad my favorite. Not really a big rice person nowadays. More into the ground paprika. Mm. So choose it for now.
And make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
And enjoy the rest of the day.